The disappearance of the SS Ourang Medan. The year is 1947, and the location is the Straits of Malacca, one of the busiest waterways in the world. A British ship called the SS Ourang Medan is sailing through the straits when all of a sudden they receive a distress call from a nearby Dutch ship called the Sultan. The Sultan's message was chilling. It read, "All officers including the captain are dead, lying in chartroom and bridge. Possibly whole crew dead." The ship was in no condition to continue its journey, so the crew sent out a signal for help. That's when the captain of the Ourang Medan noticed something strange. All of the crew members on board their ship had also mysteriously died. Every single person on board was found frozen in terror, with their eyes wide open and hands raised in the air, as if they were trying to flee from something. The captain immediately contacted the harbor master and informed him of the situation. He described the crew as being in a state of panic, as if they had been caught in the grip of some unseen force. The captain then made the horrifying discovery that the ship's cargo, which consisted of tin ingots, had all been stacked neatly on top of life jackets. It was almost as if the crew had known what was about to happen and had prepared for it in advance. Before anyone could figure out what was going on, the ship exploded, killing everyone on board. To this day, the true cause of the Ourang Medan's disappearance remains a mystery. There are many theories, but no one knows for sure what happened to the ship and its crew. Some believe that the crew was trying to smuggle something onto the ship when the cargo shifted, causing an explosion. Others believe that the ship was carrying a dangerous chemical compound that reacted unexpectedly. But perhaps the most terrifying theory of all is that the ship was the victim of a supernatural phenomenon. There have been many reports of strange occurrences in the Straits of Malacca, and some believe that the crew of the Ourang Medan may have encountered something they were not supposed to. What do you think happened to the SS Ourang Medan? Let me know in the comments below. And remember to stay tuned for more historical horror.